Hi guys, welcome to my channel Facts and Riddles. Today we are going to see the top 10 creepiest places on earth that we ever knew. Before we enter into this video, don't forget to comment it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's get into today's video. The top 10th position is given to the Dead Man's Island in England. This island is off limits to the general public, but why would this place in the so-called Garden of Greenery be creepy? Save its name? For once, the name really does say it all. About 200 years ago, England had a real issue with where they could house the nation prisoners. Gallows were full and you couldn't just hang everyone. So prison hulks were born. That is, the large ship that could house prisoners to transport them to every corner of the world. This island is covered with bones, eyeless skulls, and jawbones that are staring at you. The ninth position is given to the Pearls Harbor in Grenada. Pearls was Grenada's first airport, opening in 1943 before quickly being taken by the Allied forces as a military base during the Second World War. Over the next few years, Grenada looked like many tin pot communist states, rife with corruption, coups, and extrajudicial murders. This prompted the US to invade. The creepiness here is that the disused airport serves as a reminder of a bloody invasion, a totalitarian regime, and a time the world nearly went up flames. The top 8 position is given to Truby King Recreation Reserve, New Zealand. The name of this place sounds like a sort of place where you could have a picnic with your family. Try this one. The Sea Cliff Lunatic Asylum. Creepier? Good. Because this is exactly the place that used to exist on this nature reserve. And it's creepy as hell. This place is not such as ghost hunterish manufactured jump fest here. It feels sad, haunted by real pain and the crimes of long dead patients. A man named Edmund Lionel Cherry, an Englishman, murdered a destitute Chinese migrant named Zhou Kumyong in 1905. The asylum also suffered a fatal fire which ripped through Ward 5 in 1942, killing all but two female patients. Not much of the original building remains, but that adds to the earnest, conjuring images of lost souls wandering the grounds looking for their bed. The top 7th place is given to Daedalus Cave, Greece. Every ancient culture has few important caves. We used to live in them after all. In the 1800s, the cave was a base for Daedalus, a bandit who gave his name to the cave and apparently hid some treasure there. The place was also used by the military during the Cold War and a lending to a certain Area 21 weirdness to a place to go along with the occultish feeling. Many legends, both urban and older, are associated with the cave. Paranormal activity is often reported in this dank, dark portal to the underworld, obviously. Top 6th position is given to Kuldhara village in India. Yes, it is in Rajasthan. When you imagine a ghost town, images of a mining community left to be consumed by an encroaching desert somewhere in the western US is typical. Local legend has it that the villagers were driven out by a lecherous man named Salim Singh who wanted to claim a local girl for himself. He sent guards to collect her, but the village sent them away till the next morning. When the guards returned, the village was abandoned. Before they left, the villagers cursed Kuldhara, causing all who tried to live there to be plagued by supernatural entities, or the village became gradually depopulated in the 1890s due to a dwindling water supply. But this place exists as a most haunted place in India. The sixth position goes to Himeji Castle in Japan. But scratch the surface and you will learn about the creepy folklore associated with Himeji Castle. And much like horror classic Ringu, there's a creepy well on the site. The story of how an evil plotting samurai named Tetsuan had his plot to murder the castle's lord Norimoto, foiled by a beautiful servant named Okiku, is a sad ghost story. The Zuan's servant Dunshir kills Okiko in a jealous rage and throws her body down the well. It is said that if you find yourself near the well at night, you can hear her frantic whispers emanating from the well. The top fourth position is given to Buns Island in Sierra Leone. Second river island on the list is equally horrific, equally creepy, but different in one way. You can visit there. Okay, there are other differences. It wasn't deceased prisoners found on this island. It was a center for English slave trades, not prisoners. It is located in Sierra Leone. This was once the powerful slave castle on the island which survived many raids from Portuguese and Creole settlers to African raiders and pirates throughout the 18th century, but couldn't survive against one powerful foe, the abolition of slavery. 30 years since the abolition of slavery in Britain, the place was abandoned. The history has been recorded, perhaps the ghost of the past should be laid to rest. Top third position goes to Tommy Jones Obelisk, Wales. The obelisk marks the place where the body of a little boy who got lost was found, now often used as a landmark for hikers who are uncertain of their location when the mountain gets foggy. This is much less a simple memorial than a tool to avoid future tragedies. At second position is the Old Franklin Zoo at USA. Seeing those abandoned cages that used to house bears is almost as distressing as seeing cages with bears still held inside them. Thankfully, animals are treated marginally better nowadays. This abandoned zoo in Boston, MA, serves as a sad reminder of how we used to treat these apex predators. If you find abandoned prisons creepy, you may well find this abandoned animal jail just as weird. The first position goes to a normal street in Paris. The indentations marked on the road mark the place where the Paris guillotine stood within the long-gone prison de la Recute. This death machine was employed in the public beheading of 69 convicts between 1851 and the closing of the prison in 1899. It is said that if you stand in the center point of the five indentations for too long, you are bound to die, mainly because you did be randomly standing in the middle of a road. Before ending this video, I want you viewers to answer this riddle and answer it in the comment section.